Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to get Manus AI invitation code. Okay, first go and open any browser that you have, then search for Manus AI, just like so. Now go and click on the first option that you will get, and here you have it. You can actually use it without an invitation, but if you still cannot have it, you can simply click on sign up. You can sign up using your Google account or sign up using your Apple account or create an email. Okay, now I have signed up using my Gmail. You can do the same so. And now you have to provide your phone just in order to confirm that you are a real human. Okay, now I have access to it. You can simply click on close. You can simply request from them an access if you need to do so. But now you need to know that the use of the AI now is limited. So I use credits, and these credits will generate some results by typing in any prompt. So when I type any prompt, let's say generate photo showing lymphatic drainage upper limb. This is just for the demonstration. Let's see if it is actually going to generate some things that are actually complex like this. The lymphatic drainage of the upper limb is something that is complicated, and it's not, it's not easy to generate something like this. So I will now ask it to generate something like this. It's now thinking. It may take a couple of minutes. I don't know actually how much time will it take, but I will return to you once I finish. And as you can see on the bottom left side, you can click on get 500 credits each. You can share Manus with friends. You can simply click on this, copy the link, and once anyone who get to Manus through your own link, you will get 500 credits for each. So let's say that you have 10 friends invited, you will get 10 multiplied by 500, so you will get 5,000, and that's huge. You can use them anytime you want. And here you have the notification section. If you want to get back to the topic that you have been working on, you can simply click on this option right here. So it's similar to ChatGPT AI, and I will return to you back once it finishes the syncing process. Okay, now I think it's now generating it. This is something new. Okay, now I think it almost finished. View Manus computer. Okay, superficial lymphatic vessels, epitracheal, deep lymphatic vessels. It's actually satisfying, but it's not accurate, to be honest. This is not the axillary lymph nodes. For sure, it means that this axillary should be just right here. So it may be of a good result, but not as accurate. So you should also review their results once you get it. And that is it. This is how I can actually get access to Manus AI. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.